Well, hello again and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we took a look at my wife's HO scale Stars Hollow layout, and now we're going to take a look at mine, the O-Gauge South Texas Railroad. You can see we've got some new decor on the side of the railroad. Main track number 3 is all fast track. Main tracks number 1 and 2 are all tubular. That will change this year. When exactly, I'm not sure, but at some point this year, mains 1 and 2 are getting ripped up and replaced with, at a minimum, a basic loop of fast track. It'll be 072 for both mains 1 and 2. Main 3 will remain 036. Main 3 is currently set up for Lion Chief operation, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. This is intended to be my son's loop for him to run his trains, run whatever he wants, and there not be any issues. Main 2 is cut in with TMCC and MTH DCS. But I primarily use main 2 for running conventional trains, since it has 042 curves at the moment. Main 1 is mostly used, or intended to be used, for my command control equipment. Eventually, when it's all said and done, there'll be a crossover here from main 3 to 2, crossings with gates on all 3 mains in this location here, another crossover right here from main 3 to 2, a crossover there from main 2 to 3, correction, 2 to 1, and another crossover there from main 2 to 1. That way I will be able to run, I'll be able to put a train on the track here where it's nice and easy and convenient, and just run it around through the crossovers to whichever main track it's intended to be on. Also, it'll allow me to run passenger trains into the depot, which is going to be relocated, without having to handle them. I'll be able to run passenger trains to the depot for depot stops and all that wonderful stuff. I'm going to add a trolley line once I've got the main tracks figured out as far as their spacing and everything else. I'm going to add a trolley line that runs from the depot and downtown to the park. Now this is all going to be downtown area. I will probably have 1 or 2 little small, maybe like a farm scene in the back corner over there. Somewhere I'm going to have a few little vignettes. The corners will not be wasted space. Maybe a cut over here, maybe, I'm not sure. But the back side of the town scene is all going to be wooded areas. Have a little road come down to here, come across the tracks. And this is going to be a park scene, and I might make this little section right here in between downtown and the park like a little residential area. A little depot platform somewhere in that general vicinity right there. Some parking along in here, and a little walkway crossing right in here, and somewhere around on this front stretch. So that people can easily cross over the park railroad tracks from either the trolley platform or the parking lot without, unnecessary encumberment. You can see that Apache there, that's going to be a static display in the park, along with a tank I have floating around here somewhere. They were from my original railroad, or my last railroad rather. Plan on keeping those. I've got a little intended to be HO scale depot platform, but I'm going to use it for my O scale loading platform for this park train. This park train is N scale, but it's a basic loop of Bachmann Easy Track, obviously N scale. This is the railroad as it sits now. Hopefully I can get some updates for y'all later down the road. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you for the love and support you give the channel. And Texas Special out.